Phoenix Group of Companies was established in the year 1999 with a vision to emerge as one of the strongest one-stop destinations for filling, weighing and packaging industries. We are based in the United Arab Emirates, serving as a trusted name in the international market. The stakeholder of the company, Mr. Sami Syed, have planned a clear mission of providing quality services to each industry client and maintain continuous relationships in terms of customer loyalty and continuous engagement with them. We provide end-to-end consultancy for any startup business and multinational companies for setting up machinery relevant to their industry needs. We are proud to serve over 2,800 plus clients, both locally and internationally in the UAE, US, UK, Russia, GCC countries, Africa and India. Our expertise set up turnkey projects and consultancy, turnkey projects for processing, filling and packaging industries, FMCG, packaging solutions, weighing systems, etc. Perfume filling line, oil filling line, food processing and packing line, molasses processing and packing line, awards and achievements. Our awards and achievements. Awarded for Leadership Excellence in Manufacturing at 7th Middle East Business Leaders Award UK. ESMA approval for weighing scales and systems. ISO 9001 to 2008 certified. Our certifications. Our team. Thank you and all the best to Phoenix Group of Companies in their future endeavors.